Taking photos has never been easier. Our phones are full of great photos of important moments, memories, and people. But too many of us aren't really sure what we can do with these great photos beyond sharing them to others on our small smartphone screen. Hi, I'm Kevin Miller. I love taking photos, and for years I've used Google Photos to organize, back up, and share my photos. This free app is very easy to use and has made managing and sharing my photos with family and friends a lot of fun. In this class, I'll show you how to install Google Photos on your phone, how to access Google Photos from your computer, and how to upload photos from other sources you may have into your photo library. Then you'll learn how to create photo albums to make organizing your photos simple and easy. Additionally, you'll learn some other helpful tips and tricks in the Google Photos app that you'll find helpful in managing and making the most of your photos. Join me in this fun course and discover how easy it is to learn and use Google Photos.